So now I'm going to walk the entire A section, and it's those first 8 measures again. And the first time I'm going to just play the root twice and call out the root. Then I'm going to sidestep where we slide into the root chromatically, which is a nice little quick way of not learning our intervals. And then I'm going to play some intervals, and I'll just say root and then say the interval I'm playing. So I'll go through every time. So we have here 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 5, 1, 4, flat 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1 into 6, into 2, into 5, into 3, into 6, into 2, into 5, into 5, into 1, into 4, into flat 7, into 3, into root, into root, into root. And then we got our intervals. Root, 5th, root, 3rd, root, minor 3rd, root, into root, 5th, root, into root, 5th, root, 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 5th, root, 7, root, into root, 3rd root, 7, root, 3rd root, back to 1. And we're back at the top. So there's all these different ways you can approach it. And really by utilizing these different intervals and really starting to make your own bass lines and get into your own different habits and start moving around in the bass in your own fashion, you start developing your own sound, but you also start seeing how logical and easy it is to move around on the double bass.